Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the Cash Flow Health tab in your Nav account. Cash Flow Health helps you clearly understand where your money is coming from, where it's going, and how healthy your business really is, not just today, but over time. It's designed to help you react quickly and plan ahead, which can help you better manage operations and identify strategic opportunities to use credit. By connecting your business accounts and using built-in bookkeeping tools, Cash Flow Health turns everyday transactions into accurate financial reports you can use for tax prep, planning, and working with lenders. Cash Flow Health is available to all Nav members. However, some features such as revenue and expense trends, downloadable financial reports, and transaction categorization are only included with the Nav Prime Build or Expand plans. Let's start by getting your accounts connected. Navigate to the Cash Flow Health tab on the sidebar. Then click on the purple Connect Bank Accounts button. You'll be prompted to sign into your bank and enable access for Nav through our secure Plaid integration. We recommend connecting all your business accounts, including checking and credit, to get a complete picture of your business's cash flow. Once connected, you'll land on the Overviews sub-tab. You'll also receive confirmation emails from both Nav and Plaid, letting you know your accounts were successfully linked. You'll see a monthly revenue and expenses trend chart, giving you a quick snapshot of how money flows in and out of your business over time. This map is interactive. You can click on a particular month to see revenue, expenses, net profit, and month-over-month changes. Below that, you'll see an overview of revenue and expenses by category, so you can quickly spot where you're earning the most and where costs may be creeping up. You can sort the information by clicking on the top row of each column. Next, go to your Reports sub-tab. As a part of your specific Prime subscription, you can create and download 3 different financial reports using custom reporting periods. We'll go through the details of each one. The available reports are Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, and Statement of Cash Flow. You can also compare performance month over month or year over year, making it easier to spot trends and prepare for tax filings or financial reviews for your team or CAP. Now, let's break down each report, starting with the Profit and Loss report, which shows how much money your business made and spent over a selected time period. This report helps you understand if you're actually profitable, not just busy. It's especially useful for tracking performance, identifying rising expenses, and planning for growth. For example, when your client pays an invoice, that deposit or transaction appears under operating expenses for that time period. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what your business owns versus what it owes at a specific point in time. For example, big purchases like equipment live on your balance sheet, and it's often required when applying for credit, loans, or helping with lenders. The Statement of Cash Flow shows how money is actually moving in and out of your business accounts. This report is crucial for understanding whether you have enough cash on hand to pay bills and invest, even if your business looks profitable on paper. It's one of the best tools to avoid cash crunches before they happen. In the Transactions tab, you can quickly confirm or update how each transaction is categorized. We've done our best to do the heavy lifting for you by leveraging AI to take the first pass at categorizing. All you have to do is confirm them with the click of a button. You can even search for a vendor you frequently do business with, for example, Uber for business travel, and confirm those expenses with the push of a button. If you've added a phone number to your business profile, you'll be reminded to confirm transaction categories by replying directly via SMS messages, keeping your books organized on the go directly from your mobile device. The Account Balances tab shows exactly how much cash you have available across your linked accounts, helping you spot low or negative balances before they impact your financial health. You can set safe limits in your cash flow settings, which will trigger alerts to notify you when balances approach the threshold you defined, helping you stay on top of cash usage before it becomes a problem. And that's it. Cash flow brings together clear visibility, accurate bookkeeping, and detailed financial reports all in one place. By keeping your transactions organized, you can create trusted reports come tax season, and to help you with financial planning, credit, and growth decisions.